Say cheese. Well, it's a video,
Hey.
so you can say cheese anyway. Megan over here is cooking because she's awesome. And Sylvia over here is pouring milk because she's awesome. And I'm over here looking super totally like stylish because check the hair, check the his hair. Anyways, that's Mountain Dew. It's hot. Go get an Eggo. Funny, funny. Okay, right now.
Focus on me.
Okay.
Oh, wait, focus on me.
You said focus on you. Now let's focus on the door. No.
No.
I want
No.
the door. Okay, fine. Focus on me. Ready?
I'm bringing sexy back.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yes, I moved again.
Guess what? Okay, right now it's
Like 11
It's
something.
11 o'clock or so, right? What time is
It's 11:24.
it? 11:24, and we're at Sylvia's house, and it's so totally freaking awesome. Hold on, ready? Put the camera that way. Wow!
Jesus Christ.
Here, right now, put it over here. Wow! Boop, 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 boop. You can't see me.
Yeah, I can.
Okay, whatever. Alright, so put the camera on the people.
Okay, Brienne. Say
Hi.
hello. Sylvia, say hi. Megan,
Two people should seriously start eating this.
say hi.
Hi.
Natalie, say hi.
Okay, Natalie, say bye.